Hello, good glad Icing day, brothers and sisters. Hey, today I'm planning something because I have decided, of course, I have to be creative and I will have always something in my hand because it's there. It's only myself I will remind my thought so that I can do something instead of sitting my imponent down getting lazy and lazy hand. Oh no. So my people, I just want to start here with the milk. Make sure milk is room temperature. 1 big cup, depending with the fat you want in your milk. I have got here 3.8 fat. One and a half cup. See, my people, I just want to keep myself busy. Here I have got a Spelt flour with the full cornmeal flour. This flour is for baking all things you want, but it's a Spelt flour with the full corn. As you can see here, the color is brown a little bit. So I'm going to measure about, actually most of the people use white, but I prefer to take something which is good for my guts. You know what I mean? Full corn is always good. So I need the 500 grams. Just to be exact, 500. See? So this is already 500 grams. So welcome to Karim Daddy channel, my people. You see, I'm getting out of myself trying to do something, and I hope you learn something today. This is my meal. You see how it looks like? Very good, very healthy meal. Now here it's coming in cinnamon. My people, don't forget here cinnamon. Cinnamon is optional. I love it. It's also healthy. It smells so good when you bake things. 1 teaspoonful. I have got here baking powder, 1 tablespoon, 1 big tablespoon. See, all these I will mix together. The dry things I'll mix together, my people. You make sure you mix well. So instead of let me show you, because I have decided not to add to my baking things here sugar. To this baking I need about half a cup sugar, but I don't want sugar, so what I put, it's vanilla sugar, 1 packet. It's 18 grams. You see here, 18 grams. But sugar, it's also optional. This is vanilla sugar, a little bit, because I don't like sugar, so I add just this one to give vanilla taste. I prefer without so much sugar. You know, I don't put things sugar. Actually, I rarely take sugar, but for this mixture, if you want to add sugar, it's about it depends with the with the person whether you love sugar or not. Me myself now normally I don't use sugar, but if you want to put sugar to this recipe, you can put about a quarter cup sugar. But depending with your taste, some they would like to put 1 full cup, half cup, depending with your taste, my people. Now if you need the sugar, it's a quarter cup, and the meal is 500 grams. So in case you want in double, you have to double the things I put inside. You mix dry things together, and then later, my people, I will add my milk and water. This milk here, I will add also half a liter of water. Half a liter of water. Let me see. So that is already half a liter of water and milk together. You see, this is what I will add here inside. And be curious what will come out here, my people. What I'm doing here, I never did it before. But the things I want to make here, I have been eating them in village so much. Today I have decided, I have time. Let me do it. In village they make it so good, and they don't put any oil. The only thing they put is milk and water. I want to see, because I also don't like so much margarine. Wow. So my people, keep on watching and trust the process. Hey, I'm also curious whether this recipe will come out like those baked things, how they taste in the village. Or when I'm in the village, I have to control myself, because you can eat until you feel stomachache. But by eating, we have also to take care to eat and to have a discipline. When you have enough, you have enough. So my people, keep on watching and trust the process, and the result is going to amaze you, my people. And please comment and tell me where are you watching from. Keep commenting, keep subscribing, share my videos, my people. And there you are, spread kindness, spread love, humble yourself, walk with grace. Keep on watching, my people.